When your neighbor is away and asks you to feed his goats for him, farm life, country life, this is what neighbors do for neighbors. When our neighbor is away, not going to be back in time to feed his animals, and he asks you to feed them for him, so you feed them. And of course, they're mean to one another. Like there's not enough food on the ground for all of them. This guy right here I can't stand. He's the Bill. He's the mean one. He wants to rule everybody. Ah! You better listen to me. You be mean to them. I can be mean too. You better eat your food. Leave them alone. I try to be a good neighbor and look out for you, but I ain't gonna let you be mean to them. That's Mama and her baby. That's Snaky and her babies. And then this is the mean old Bill. He's being nice now because I got his attention. Is that right, Bill? Hmm? Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Yeah, see, I got your attention. Boo! That's what I thought.